Reset Friday. I know it's gonna be Monday when you guys see this video, but try to imagine, alright? But anyways, well, first of all, if you haven't already, like the video, because like, what are you doing? Just like it and just be a nice person, alright? No dislikes, because I didn't even know that you could like actually do that. And I've been getting dislikes on my videos. What the heck? But anyways, I just put in my laundry, I put in my clothes, and then also my blankets and towels and stuff. But like, you're only supposed to use two like at a time, two little washers and dryers. So I gotta like be on top of it, alright? But I'm also gonna wash my sheets and change them out to my little bow ones, which is pretty on brand right now, especially because I have my bow set on. I'm just gonna do that. I'm gonna take off my sheets and I'm gonna like wipe down the mattress thing that they give. I don't know, but I'm just gonna be wiping down everything. So that's the plan right now while I wait the 30 minutes. So let's go. Literally cleaning that bunk bed is so hard. Like, ugh, I'm sweating. Alright, so I have this drawer right here, and let's see, I have some other bed sheets. I'm gonna put you guys like right here so that you're not shaking a bunch for me, like just getting on that bed. But yeah, this is what the bed sheets look like. Definitely not my best work, but we got it there. I think now I'm gonna like do the shelf. Oh my gosh, my iPad's like sticking to my microwave, but yeah. just put my sheets, my dirty sheets, inside the washer, and I moved the stuff from the washer to the dryer. So now I think I'm just gonna like organize my little caddies that I have right here, like those ones. I'm just going to like Clorox wipe all these out because I mean they're not dirty, but I mean I'm sure dust gets in them. So that's what I'm gonna do. Kind of like reorganize. So I just finished organizing and cleaning out like my shelf area. Let me show you. This is what it's looking like. We have all that. Look at how gorgeous. Oh, there's Miss Sonny Angel, Miss Bunny Girl with the Dior. And this spot's like a little crazy, but I don't really care. It's now. My stuff in the dryer just needs like 5 minutes, but I put my sheets in the dryer as well, and I'm actually going to like dust and wipe down the windowsill thingy. I don't know, but you'll see. I just love walking into my room now just because it feels so clean. Sorry, like I'm breathing hard, like I'm going up and down, up and down, up and down. And I have like a 10-pound backpack right here. Ugh, I look ridiculous carrying that. But I'm gonna fold my clothes now and get ready for the next load. So that's gonna take like 40 minutes. And I have class at, what's it called, 12 o'clock, but it's only 50 minutes, so yeah. The worst part about folding clothes is literally because like the New Mexico sun is so hot when it comes into your room, and mind you, it's been like in the 10s or like 20s the last week. And all of a sudden, I don't even know what the temperature is, but it feels so hot. And then especially with the heat of the dried clothes, it's even worse.
I'm sick. Wait, are you? Come on, Stacey, I'm in here.
Sheets, and I'm probably just gonna fold like the old ones and put it back in the bottom drawer. I really don't know how to fold sheets, so wait, I don't even know what this is. I don't even think this is called the sheet, but what is? Like the ideal thing is to get it to fit into that little pink bag, but I don't think that's gonna happen. You know what? I don't even think I'm gonna put any of them in the bag, just because I am dead and hungry too. I think today I'm actually gonna get Einstein's for the first time ever. Well, not ever, but like here. I still don't really know how the meal swipes work, and I think they said that you can use a meal swipe there, but I'm not sure totally. Here is the bed, and I just need to like put the bed sheets on. I mean the pillows. I can't even think. My bow pillow right there. My room is looking so much more cleaner, and now I can like be ready for the weekend. So I'm probably just gonna do homework, and also I need to go to my class. I don't even know what time it is. Before I start my homework, I'm gonna redo my calendar because I'm procrastinating. I have to make it look cutesy because it's like February next month, and yeah, I'm gonna do like a bunch of hearts. But like I don't have like the best handwriting, so I don't know how that's gonna work out. For sure pink and purple are the colors to use. Theater in the Student Union building, and I love it. They give free popcorn, and I think today, like, it's a different organization that does it, so they give out like free candy, and it's like jumbo candy, and it's good. It's like first come first serve though, so we gotta get there like at 5:30. So that's like my priority for today. Oh my gosh, I literally just saw on April 30th, they're playing Mufasa, and I literally got scanned because I wanted to friggin' watch Mufasa. Is the new calendar. Alright, now that I got that out of the way, I'm probably gonna start my drawing, but it is already like 11 o'clock. It's 11:08. So I'm thinking about actually doing for the abstract thing like AirPods, because I can't flip it. You know, the little, and I'm thinking about like kind of doing like one of the AirPods like floating with like the little like swirl around it, just because I feel like, you know, but like in highlighter color, because like you can't see music but you can hear it, you can feel it. So that's like what I'm getting at with that abstract type of thing. So hopefully it turns out good. Actually on my way to my Comp 2 class. Right now it's like 11:30, so I'm a little bit early, but I mean, I know I probably would have lost track of time. But I'm just throwing away my Celsius now. And yeah, I mean, it's only like a 50-minute class, so it's not too bad. So right after, I'm probably gonna get like Einstein Bros and then go back to like drawing. And yeah, that's that me. Alright guys, so I just got back and I got this coffee, which I tried to get like the vanilla hazelnut one, try something different. I don't know, even though I've never gone there. I should have just gotten the medium roast or like the dark roast, just because this isn't good. I literally had to put, I think I put in creamer, I don't even know what it was. I was freaking out because it was like my first time there, and yeah, I had to put like 3 things of like sugar in here. It looks terrible. Oh my gosh, I'm embarrassed. But all I can taste is like the sugar. And then I got this bagel. It's a sausage, turkey sausage. Oh, I forgot. But like they didn't have like any egg or something. So let's see what this looks like. I got it with an everything bagel thing. Oh my gosh. Maybe I should have eaten this like in the lounge. Oh my goodness. This smells good. Whoa. Guys, Guys, what the heck? Okay, this is what it looks like. Wow, that was good. Okay, let's take a bite. It was a sausage cheddar, that's what it was. It is just sausage and cheese, but it's good. I'm gonna eat this and I'll get right back to you guys. It is 4:30 right now. I'm actually headed to the architecture building right now. I realized that I actually did the whole assignment wrong, which sucks, but honestly I was overcomplicating it and it wasn't too hard to like redo. I think I'm gonna keep my originals like on the board just to show my progress, but everybody else was right to like do like the push pull thing, which sucks for me, but I mean it's fine. I'm gonna scan my stuff right now in the architecture building just because the scanners are better there. Maybe I could print later, I don't know. After that I'm probably just gonna like get ready for the movies. Alright, so as you can tell, it's the next day and I didn't film inside the architecture building just because there was a class going on. I felt kind of awkward like scanning my things. Oh, let me show you what I came up with. I was just stressed out yesterday because I mean, well, one, I didn't do well on a quiz, not gonna lie. I'm gonna be honest with you. I didn't do well on a quiz and I'm disappointed with myself. But then also I did this assignment wrong, and so I just had to redo all 6 drawings. I mean, the teacher commented on my post saying that my drawings were good, but I mean it wasn't the assignment, so I don't know what she was getting at. I was excited too to draw like the last one that I had. I was like gonna draw like a fist as like a paper clip, you know? So I had this, I went to like a regular paper clip and then the jar. And then I have the Rode little lip treatment and then a little pocket mirror, like opening and closing. The Dior perfume and my wallet. And that's pretty much it. I did that and then I went straight to my dorm to get some stuff for the movies, and I went to see Ratatouille. And to be honest, I don't think like I've ever seen the movie before. I remember as a kid I was like, no, I don't like Ratatouille, I don't want to watch that, so I never watched it and I never watched the full thing. So honestly I think that's like one of my favorite movies ever now, next to The Incredibles as like you know, the Pixar movies. But I mean that's it. I did a face mask yesterday, so that's why my face looks so glowy or like shiny, I don't know. But I also did a teeth whitener. So yeah, that's it. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was kind of different, or like I don't know if it's gonna turn out good. I haven't started editing it yet, so hopefully it's good. I'm gonna say Friday reset, but it's gonna be Monday, so like stick with it, all right? And I hope you guys have an amazing day, and yeah, bye guys.